Hi Zairan, happy birthday. First of all, I want to greet you a happy birthday. And then second, I want to apologize because I can't attend your debut party because I will be having my first Teen Fashionista Philippines 2013 grand launching at SM Santa Mesa. Today, ngayon na, alis na lang ako, nag-video lang ako eh. So yon, happy birthday, kamusta mo na lang kala tita, kay Lito, kay Ate Macy, kay Kuya Mac, kay Samuel, kay Cypher, saka sa family mo, and then, alam ko naman nandiyan naman sila, Sarah, kasi a-attend din naman yun eh, yun pa mga mawala, diba? So yun, sorry kasi busy lang talaga.
Happy birthday!
Yun nga pala, may gift ako sa'yo. Diyan! It's from Amadas Palace. Oh, dito pa. Sorry, walang 22 lang yung available na number. So, sayang, walang number na favorite mo. Ayun, so, happy birthday! Enjoy your night. Because it's your night. And, wala, sana, ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang ang saya kasi alam ko magiging masaya. Ano naman kasi nandiyan naman silang lahat. So, yun, hi guys! Hi tito, tita. So, yun. Ingat kayo pag-uwi. And then, have fun. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po!